Welcome to the ultimate animal quiz challenge. Can you guess 80 animals in just 5 seconds each? Let's find out. Here's your first animal. It's a lion. Next up, it's an elephant. Keep going. It's a tiger. It's a giraffe. It's a zebra. It's a penguin. Next up, it's a kangaroo. Keep going. It's a panda. Next up, it's a dolphin. Keep going. It's a koala. Next up, it's a monkey. Keep going. It's a dog. It's a cat. It's a horse. It's a cow. Next up, it's a sheep. Keep going. It's a goat. Next up, it's a chicken. Keep going. It's a duck. It's a camel. It's a hippopotamus. It's a rhinoceros. Next up, it's an ostrich. Keep going. It's a peacock. Next up, it's a parrot. Keep going. It's an eagle. It's an owl. It's a turtle. It's a crocodile. Now up comes here some hard ones. It's an alligator. Keep going. It's a leopard. Next up, it's a cheetah. Keep going. It's a llama. It's an alpaca. It's a wolf. Next up, it's a bat. Halfway there. Keep going. You're doing great. It's an armadillo. Next up, it's an anteater. Keep going. It's a capybara. Next up, it's a sloth. Keep going. It's an aardvark. It's an ocelot. It's a serval. It's a quokka. Next up, it's a Tasmanian devil. Keep going. It's a wallaby. Keep going. It's a platypus. Next up, it's an echidna. Keep going. It's a caracal. It's a fennec fox. It's an axolotl. It's a tarsier. Next up, it's a kinkajou. Keep going. It's a loris. Next up, it's a margay. Keep going. It's a coati. It's an okapi. It's a quagga. It's a saula. Next up, it's a dugong. Keep going. It's a narwhal. Next up, it's a vaquita. Keep going. It's a pangolin. It's a Galapagos tortoise. It's a proboscis monkey. It's a binturong. Next up, it's a fossa. Keep going. It's a genet. Next up, it's a dole. Keep going. It's a maned wolf. It's a markhor. It's a taki. It's a Civica. Next up, it's an agouti. Keep going. It's a tamarin. Next up, it's a marmoset. And here's the last one. It's a red panda.